you can see, my table outside on my deck that is surrounded by these beautiful tulips, and these petunias are popping up. I have kicked my zucchini and my cucumber plants outside today because why not? It's a beautiful, glorious day, and they need to be outside getting hardened up in this beautiful weather. So look at this one. It's out, a beautiful leaf. It is blowing in the wind. So I think this is a good opportunity to get these plants outside and let them enjoy some of this beautiful sunshine. And I think they'll do just fine. As you can see, they're all surrounded by my winter sowing containers to give them a little extra buffer and support, but that's okay because eventually I know this weather is going to break and we are going to be able to come out. Well, for me, for sure, to come out and put all these plants that I have had inside my house outside for good. Woohoo! So I am so excited about that. And look at this. My watermelon plant right here is doing so good. Which one is this? This is, let me see. This is my, as Hands in the Dirt say, this is the red meat watermelon. And this one is the Crimson Sweet right here, which is also the red meat. I have never heard that saying before, but you know what? I love it because it was original and it was told to me by a fellow gardener. And as you can see inside this one winter sowing thing, these mustard greens are looking fabulous. Let's find the kohlrabi and see how that one is doing. Okay, remember I put an X on all of my winter jugs that have life in them. Here's the kohlrabi. All right, guys, let me look in here. Let's look together and see if we can see any life. I don't know if we can see it because of this sun out here. Oh no, yay! Kohlrabi is doing great. Look at it. OMG. It is looking so good, you guys. So good. Come on, kohlrabi. We got this. Woohoo! Let's see what else we got going on here. Let's see what's in this one over here. This one has an X on it. And let me see what this one is. This is my zinnias. Woohoo, zinnias. Let's see, zinnia. Show everybody in my family that there is life in this container. You see those zinnias? I've never grown zinnias from seed. Sorry, my hand is shaking because I was out here trying to hold this camera and this winter soul container. But look at all the zinnias in there. Yes, I'm so excited. But I'm so excited that I'm able to come outside and spend some more time with you guys and show you what's going on in Miss Renee's garden. So I just wanted to make this little video, quick video, and show you guys that things are popping over here. Let's take a look at this hyacinth. Isn't that beautiful? This hyacinth is everything. It is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And you guys know I'm going to be redesigning all these flower boxes, right? Like this one over here. Let me walk you over here. And this chocolate, spearmint chocolate vine is coming back. That makes great tea. I just cut some of this stuff, put it in some hot water, let it seep, and it has a fabulous flavor. Because I'm going to redesign all these window boxes. And this one is cute. It's a baby little daffodil growing in here. Alright, and there's another hyacinth peeking out. So I have had these. Let me tell you a quick story about these window boxes. I have had these window boxes for at least, I would say maybe 12, 13 years. And majority of these plants have been in here forever. Now this is supposed to be a heuchera, corbel, and this thing is supposed to be massive because you've seen those corbels that are really big and bushy. Well, one thing about Miss Renee, when I am making my flower boxes, I have a tendency to pack. Look at all these flowers just packed in here. I put mums in here, pansies in here. I have a coreopsis in here. I have some more daffodils. I got violas. I just pack them in here. So I know in this root ball, and when I redesign this thing, I know this thing is the root bound of all the roots of these plants are just going to be like hard as this deck. You hear me? They're going to be hard like this. So when I do that video, don't be saying, Miss Renee, what the heck are you doing with all them boxes with them roots? Because you know what? I don't never like really disconstruct all my window boxes. I just pull the dead ones out and then I put a new one in its spot. Because I've always been like, if it's not dead, why take it out? So, but since I'm doing a redesign of my deck, I'm going to take all these plants out, the ones that are still alive, like these pansies are still good flowers, and this heuchera, it'll probably get bigger when I take it out and put it in a bigger pot and let it have the room that it was meant for. And the violas, you know, they're not supposed to survive, but this one came back. I'm just so happy about that. And then, you know, my mums, you know, I'm going to stick them somewhere. So they may go in those window boxes over there with the gnomes. No telling, but I just wanted to give you a quick little story about my window boxes because these things are big and they're fat, and I love big fat flower boxes. Why do I love them that big? Because I can pack so many plants into that. That's why I love them. Those ones over there, when I first brought those, I was like, oh, those are cute. But you know what? Those were too skinny and they weren't fat enough. So I always use those for vegetables. But this year, I'm going to utilize them all and put them in the Zen garden. All right, guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. And look, I think there's going to be a bird nest over there in that one Christmas tree right there. Because I've seen a lot of birds playing around at the bottom and going inside that tree. They're probably going to make a nest, and they're probably going to have babies in there. And you know what's so funny? I did not say happy spring to all of you guys. I didn't know that the other day was the official first day of spring. So I want to say happy, 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 happy spring. Yay! All right, guys. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and we will leave on this beautiful picture of these tulips popping up. Now, these are going to be some big giant tulips. I can't wait to see when those open up. Glorious. All right, guys, take care. And as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that red button. And don't forget to hit the like button and also cut on your notifications so you'll know when Miss Renee has another video coming your way. All right, guys, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.